So pretty easy how to program a brand new remote door lock and trunk release and alarm system for your Chevy. Comes with a pre-programmed key fob thing, so it's going to go into the OBD2 connector. The instructions are right on the back. So you plug this into the OBD2 connector, insert the key and turn the ignition on, insert the programmer into the vehicle's program, wait to hear a buzz sound and a red light on the programmer, which you'll see right here. Once that light comes on, you're going to press and hold the lock and unlock at the same time, simultaneously, and then you'll hear a beep coming out of this. It means it's all programmed. So, first thing they said to do, take the key, put it in the ignition, put it into the on position, not start. You want to see the ignition light up. Turn this in, plug it in the OBD2, and you'll see a red light or a beep. Ready to go, and you're going to hold these two down simultaneously until that beeps. All set. So I'm going to shut the ignition off. So pull out the connector at the OBD2, and let's see if the key fob works. We'll hit lock and unlock. Yep, key on, hit lock, won't lock. Yep, there it is. Awesome. Wonderful.